Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use Gemini app. So in order to use Gemini app, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now if you're using a mobile device or an application, the procedure is going to remain the same. To use your Gemini app, all you have to do is first thing first, you have to create an account. So in order to create an account, you'll need to open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in www.gemini.com. So this is going to direct you to the official web page, and here in order to create an account, click the sign up button located in the top right hand side corner. So here, to begin with the creation of your account, type in or provide in the email address, click the submit button located right at the bottom. After you're done entering the email address, now you'll be asked to select your account type. So if you're doing it personal, then select individual, and if you're creating an account for business, so click on business. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and type in your or provide in your name, family name, your email address, your phone number. So after you're done providing all of the information, make sure to mark on the terms and conditions located right at the bottom, and then click the create account button located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, next page is going to take you to the other interface where you need to go through the terms and conditions once again, and you'll also be asked to create a username. And once you're done creating a username, then you'll be notified that you've successfully created an account. So once you're done creating an account, then you can explore Gemini app. So in this way you can use Gemini app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.